Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these iBayam kitchen scissors. So it's a 2-pack. Now you do have a guard here that you can put on there to store them. I like that these are dishwasher safe. They're permanently attached here, looks like. We've even got, you could like crack a nut there or something, but they got nice soft grips. Their edges are serrated just a little bit. But even this really tough plastic, we can see it's nice having these kitchen shears around. But if I need to cut some cardboard, they're able to cut cardboard. They're also nice to have in the kitchen if you need to cut vegetables or cut meat. There's even, you could like crack a nut right there. Let's go over the overall size. They call them an 8.5-inch scissors. So yeah, they're about almost 9 inches. The cutting surface is only about 3¼ inches. Looks like you could use these left-handed or right-handed. They fit in your hand, either upside down, either way, so you don't have to worry about grabbing it a particular way. And again, I like this little cover. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.